welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 15 to share with all of you. All right, this is a beautiful little box here. I think she smells a candle, but I don't know about that because it is really light. So we will see. By the way, I did want to mention yesterday I said that my P.O. box number was 86. That is totally wrong. Dyslexic moment apparently. It is 68. So P.O. box 68, Paoli, PA 19301. If anybody wants to send me a card or a hello, I would love that so much, honestly. All right, let's go ahead and see what is in box number 15. Let's see. Oh. Okay, don't think this is a candle. I think it's a tin, but it's like a double-sided tin. So we have our little quilt block there on top and on the bottom. It has a pin right here, so maybe it's magnetic. It is full of goodies. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we have these hold bobbins. All right, let me go ahead and get a spool of thread and a bobbin just so I can kind of show you how these guys work. We will pick pink because it's my favorite color. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use my navy Gutermann thread here, my bobbin from my Bernina, and our little pin. You go ahead and you squeeze this, put it through the bobbin. It can't come off because of that loop up there, and then you squeeze this again and put it through your spool of thread, and it looks just like this. And now everything can be super tidy. It is strong enough that you could probably even hang this from something if you needed to. I don't know why you would, but maybe you do. Maybe you have a pegboard or something next to your sewing machine, but how handy is this? This is so exciting, but that is not all. Next, we have these clips here, and these actually keep your bobbin from unraveling. So once again, we'll get the pink clip out, and I will go ahead and show you how this works. I'll go ahead and wind my bobbin back up here. Okay, I have my little thread, and you just clip it right like that. All right, you can still hang it. There's enough of a hold there. Okay. All right, and then we have these as well. These are also for your bobbin. Let me go ahead. We've got our pink to stay consistent. Okay, and you just, maybe you don't. I know what this is for. Okay, so here we have the little clip as well. This one I believe is actually for your spool of thread. I did try to put it on my bobbin and there's not enough clearance there. So let's see. Yeah, okay. And it's a little grippy, so it stays in place. If I'm totally wrong, let me know. But I believe that is what this one is for. This is my first time seeing this one. Maybe we'll just get all decked out here and I'll just show you how it all fits together. This one's a little bit, because of this heavy clasp here, it's a little bit weird and wonky, but let's see. And we also have thimbles here. Goodness. Okay, these are silicone thimbles. Let's see if I can put one on. I've got fat fingers, so if these fit my fingers, they should fit yours as well. So here is a little thimble. All right, has a nice grip to it. All right, very nice. And then last but not least, here are those little spoolie things that I was talking about. I don't know if that's what it's called. It just sounds right. Okay, but here they are. These are also kind of like a little snap bracelet as well. And these are also to put around your spool of thread. I prefer this to that other little contraption that I just pulled off because this is a little bit larger. Okay, so there you go. Now here you have everything all in one. You have your bobbin holder, you have your thread holder, and then you also have this little thing that keeps it all together. Now I'm just really curious, what is this? Is this not what I thought it was for? I would love to know what you guys think this is for. Kind of looks like maybe it like clips to something. Hold on. You guys see how there's like a little interlocking mechanism here? Look at that. They lock together. Why? Can anybody tell me why they lock together? It's just so interesting. Okay, let me know what your thoughts are down below. They can all be stored in this little collector's tin. Okay, so this one side doesn't come off, but the other side does. So I will go ahead and put all of this back in, and I am excited to see day number 16 with you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.